name is Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist. I'm going to show you how to make a t-shirt template in Photoshop. So the first thing I've done is I've actually added a grid, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You go to View, Show, Grid. It'll bring up your grid. And the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to use the pen tool, which is right below the burn tool. Not the freeform pen tool, but the pen tool. And so I'm just going to start off by making the collar. And then, so then I'm actually going to shorten this. And then I'm going to the reason you want this to be short is so that when you make a line next to it, it doesn't bend as much. It's okay if it bends a little, but alright, so basic t-shirt template. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and select stroke path, and I'm going to say OK. Actually no, I'm going to change the size. Change your brush size if you can, because if you're going to simulate the brush, you're going to want a good brush size. And then I'm going to go back to the pen tool, right click, stroke path, OK. Alright, so now I've got my t-shirt. Then I'm going to use the move tool to, I'm going to hold down Option and the little double arrow will show up. I'm just going to drag it. Oh yeah, you have to delete your path too. Right click and say delete path. I'm actually going to redo that, because if you fill your stroke path on a white layer, it's going to attach itself to the white, so make sure you're on a transparent layer when you do it. Stroke path. Alright, and now I'm going to delete it. Delete path. Use the move tool. Hold down Option so you have double arrow. Pull it. And then use your marquee tool. Right click. Go to Free Transform. Right click again. Flip horizontal. And here you've got t-shirt template. But you can also erase that if it's kind of like too thick. You can also erase this right here. My name is Alex, and this is how you make a t-shirt template in Photoshop. Thank you.